this is a motivational tool that you can use. Get 2 empty jars and label one with pounds to lose and pounds lost. So for me, I started at 177 pounds and my goal weight is 127, so that's 50 pounds difference. So at the moment I've lost 12 pounds as of today. So I'm gonna put 12 marbles on the pounds lost. So I've got 12 marbles in the pounds lost jar, and then I'm gonna get some 38 marbles for the pounds to lose. So every time you lose a pound, you're gonna move the marble on the other side, so it gives you an accountability or a visual, so that you're gonna get motivated to lose more pounds. So this is just a little idea, so I hope this helps. I also have these little labels, so I won't forget how many is in each jar. I have 38 and 12, so I can see my progress. If this video helped, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.